Hey guys, welcome back to my video, or welcome if you're new here. I'm the mother of 2 boys and 1 girl, and we do a lot of cleaning videos on here and some mommy vlogs. If you're interested in that, please stay tuned for the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, isn't that amazing?
So I'm just starting out by folding the extra blankets on our bed, and then I'm going to move on to fixing the sheets.
Having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long.
Now I'm just going to add the comforter to the bed and then straighten it all out. I'm kind of missing my old comforter. It was completely white with ruffles all the way across it, and I just like the whole white look, and then you can throw in your accent colors with different pillows, so I might switch this back out soon to that white one. Or I thought about getting new throw pillows and adding more onto the bed, and then seeing how the overall look is with this comforter.
Angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I'm writing Christmas postcards out by the pool. It's 70 degrees in the shade and the breeze is cool. Yeah. Even though we don't get snow, I still think it's the place to go.
I've also had this bedding now for like 6 months, and I keep forgetting to get some bigger pillows to go in these sham cases because, oh my goodness, I cannot remember. I'm so used to making the bed now like this that I just completely forgot to get new pillows.
Don't you know I'm loving it? Christmas time in LA.
And now I'm just moving on to sweeping the floor before I mop. And I did sweep the entire room, but my battery died and I didn't know, so that got cut off, and I'm sorry about that.
That's your thing. It's Christmas time in LA. If you go cruising downtown, it's a curtain of lights, and the tree at this table
could not believe how dusty my dressers had already gotten. I had just dusted them a few days before this, so for them to be this dusty, it was kind of unreal. But I went ahead and dusted it on the tops, and then I went ahead down the fronts of the dresser where we pull our dresser drawers out and cleaned all the fingerprints off.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for.
I really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on my page, and I'll see you guys next time.